Hello guys, greeting of the day. So today I will see my blood bank where I working as a job as a blood storage center technician. So yeah, you can see I am right now in a Jeevan Mala hospital which is nearby Kolbagh hospital. Nearby Kolbagh, its name is Jeevan Mala Hospital. Jeevan Mala Hospital. Okay. So yeah, uh, you can see first of all this is my it's a floor. Okay, you can see it's night time. This is my blood bag. It's a blood bag blood fluid, you can see. Okay, so yeah, I switch on the light. Okay, right now you clear see. Okay, and there is a very beautiful window you can see in the outside view. It's a main road. On the main road, this is hospital. On the main road, so you can see there are lots of vehicles are going, and in the night shift, around you can see on the clock. I think if you see clock, it's around 10 minutes to left 1 a.m. in night. Okay. So this is also AC. I turn off the AC because it's cool. So I turn this off. Air conditioner. It's a new brother. It's a new AC. I think it's a 6 month or 1 year before it's keep here and installed. So yeah, this is if I will start from blood bank machines. This is deep freezer. This is called a deep freezer. Okay. In this plasma, if you read about plasma, it's called FFP short form, a fresh frozen plasma. Okay, so I will see you how is it condition. Okay, so first of all, it's open. You can see it's an ice form. It's like ice. You see ice? Yeah, you can see like that. It's a very hard. It's a ice form. Yeah, you can see it's a ice. You can like it's a stone. Okay, it's called a plasma. It's a part of our blood. Okay, when our blood is a clot, so after it's a downside, not a downside, it's the upper side, bottom of the upper. You can see this. This is plasma. It's called. When any patient very sick and their clotting factor and liver problem, so our doctor suggests to transfuse plasma 4 unit. It's a pair of. Okay, so doctor suggests plasma how to require. Like you can see, there is lots of trucks going because in night shift in the lots of trucks mostly on the road you can see. But in the afternoon, it's all over road fully vehicles stuck or jam, traffic jam you can say. But in the very good view, okay, in the evening or morning time, it's a very good view. You can see very wonderful window. But yeah, it's a very great window. You can see outside of view, very good place. So you can see, yeah, this is. So this is my one machine, and this is you can see my sitting chair. Yeah, here is some one chair is a. Not a working condition, it's a ongoing maintenance. This is also one chairs you can see. Okay, this is telephone to calling hospital wards or department, ICU, NICU, dialysis, labor room, ward room, OT. Okay, so yeah, it's different numbers here, and it's my water bottle you can see. Yeah, I will see of there are lots of blood bank files you can see. Yeah, they because blood bank have a lots of documentation work. Okay, because all things we are verify, all blood unit, which patient we are giving a blood, and which of the donor, all details of donors we fill on doctor register. Like it's in this register. In this register we it's called a master register. Okay, so in this master register we all details fill of patient identification number, UHID number, IPD number, which whose person perform cross match test and blood grouping. All details we are fill in this, and which time we are issuing, on which date we are issue blood unit. So all details we fill on this blood register, and there is some blood files also, and this is some also files of related to blood bank. Okay, so yeah, this is a, you can see this is mirror. Okay, yeah, we can here see our face, how we are looking. Okay, so yeah, I don't know. This is washing area, washing station, you can say. Okay, this is all at my working station. Here here I perform tests like blood grouping, cross matching, ICT, indirect Coombs test, that direct Coombs test. Okay, this is used tubes. This is we used. Okay, it go in a well cleaning. After it's clean, we dry on machine, and after we again use. Okay, this is NS normal slide. This is waste. This is tips, waste tips. This is unused tips. This is pipettes on we are testing to help to we are used. This is a sealer. This is centrifuge. This is my charger. It's my it's a blood bank incubator. Yeah, so this is my all work. You can see here I eat food. Okay, this is my bag. Bag. This is chair for study. You can see. This is BBR. It's a temperature for 2 to 6 degree, but right now it's a 7.5 temperature. But it's okay, no problem, because in the night side I close. Right now I close the AC switch off, so that's why it's out of temperature. But it's not a very worried about. Yeah. So this is a section. Here we keep blood. PRBC full form. It's a packed red blood cells. Okay. So here we keep all A section, A positive or A negative blood group. Okay, this is a reagent which we help to determine blood group A, B, O. Okay, and it's a anti-human globulin, which the help of we doing a cross match. Okay, compatibility form also, and there is some boxes like day wise, settle down, sample wise. Okay, there is a B positive section. Here are also reagents, advanced stock. You can see in the stock we are keep here, and we have a 1, 2, 3, 5 unit B positive PRBC. And here we keep only B positive section, B positive PRBC, B negative PRBC. And here is a O positive PRBCs. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unit PRBC. Okay. Right now we have available 5 unit PRBC, and here we also keep here O negative, O positive. But right now we have only O positive, and we right now we have only positive blood, A positive like B positive, O positive, because O negative, A negative, B negative, it's a rare blood group. So when we require or request, so we from our mother blood bank center we contact, and if they are available, so I asked and I came, and I request to please send in there, because here is requirement of negative group. Okay, this is my you can see it's my sleeping area. Here I hold my night sleep, and this is my, you can see this is my books and my notebooks. Here I study, and this is all over my blood bank. You can see. Okay, it is on my head is, you can see on, it's a 24/7 running fan on, because here is very machines, so they heat generate. Okay, so it's here mandatory to maintain temperature in storage blood center. So yeah, this is, you can see it's a blood bank, my blood storage center. This is all about, you can see. Okay, this is also some SOPs which we follow during test when we perform test or cross match blood grouping. There is also some SOP, standard operating procedure, with the help of we doing of our work on the standard way. Okay, so yeah, this is, I think I all things I cover up. I think there is no anything to left. Yeah, it's a very little, it's very small, you can say, not a very big things here. Because main work in our main centers, mother centers. Here is nothing like work. Here just like I like this. Okay. Yeah. So you can tell me how my this video, and you can comment section, and you subscribe my channel and like, share if you have any doubt or question about my working place and about my uh, about any queries. You can comment, you can drop a comment section box your query, and I will definitely, I will try to give an answer. What's your query, whatever. Okay, thank you so much to give your time to watching my videos. Please subscribe, share and like. Okay, bye bye. And you tell me about what, in which topic you want next video. Okay, bye bye.